children. How are you all? Yes, all fine and good. Yes, in last class we have discussed about what we have seen: ascending and descending order, 4 5 tables, and activity based on ascending and descending. Yes. Have you all practiced the worksheet? Yes, I have received your worksheet, so it's all fine and very good. Everybody have done well. Okay, now today's class we are going to see about skip counting. Okay, what is that we are going to see today? Skip counting. What is skip counting? Skip. What is skip? Skip means we used to skip the homeworks. We used to skip the lunch. Yes, if we didn't like something, we used to skip. That means we leave that. So likewise, we are going to skip the counting. We are going to leave the counting. How means we are going to leave the counting by 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s. We are going to see today's skip counting by 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s. Okay, so now we see sums based on count by 2, skip count by 2. Okay, so already while remembering this counting 2 skip by 2, we have to come in our mind 2 tables. How 2 tables comes? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here also we used to skip counting by skipping by 2 2, 2 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6, so likewise we used to skip count and 2. So now we are going to, okay, what is the first number 2? After 2, 3, 4. After 2, 3, 4. We have to leave 2 numbers. So after 2, 3, 4. Then after 4, 5, 6. Here also we leave 2. So we got 6. Then after that we have to leave 2 numbers. After 6, 7, 8. Then after 8, 9, 10. 10 we got. So this is what skip count by 2s. Skip count by 2 means we have to leave 2 numbers. That is by adding 2 numbers or leaving the 2 numbers and writing the next number. So after 2, 3, 4. After 6, 7, 8. After 8, 9, 10. After yes, after 8, 9, 10. Like this. It will be goes on. Yeah, they have filled up to 10. Okay, now shall we go to the next one again then? Count by 2. So what they have given here? First we have to analyze whether how many skip counts by 2s or 3s or 4s or 5s. Okay, or it will be go on even maybe 5, 10, 6, likewise also or 20s. Likewise also skip counting was there. Now initially we just see in which goes by simple numbers, by small numbers skip count. Okay. So now skip count by 2, 6. They have given 6. After that 8. So after 6 what have to come? After 6, 7. Where is 7? It's not there. So 6, 7. After that 8. So they have given 8. So we have skip counting by 2. Then after 8, 9, 10. 9, 10. So we have to do 10. Then after 10, 11, 12, 2. Then after 12, 13, 14. So after 14, 15, 16. Yes, 16. Okay, so this is skip count by 2. Okay, so have you all learned that? Now we can move on to count by 3. Skip count by 3. So 3 means we are going to leave 3 numbers. We are going to skip 3 numbers. So what is this? 3. After that 6. You can use, remember 3 tables also. You all know that. Already have learned 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody will cover this. Okay. So after 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So what have to come? 9. So this is This is skip count by 3. Now next sum. This is also skip count by. We'll find it. Shall we find this skip count by how many numbers? We'll find now. Okay. So 12. What is the next number? 14. So count after 12, 13, 14, 15. So skip count by 3. So after 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. So after that, I have to say the skip count by 3 numbers. So after 15, 16, 17, 18. After 15, 16, 17, 18. So from these two numbers, we find the skip count by 3. So here also we are skipping 3 numbers from 15, 16, 17, 18. Skip count by 18. 3, here it is 18. So after 18, 19, 20, 21. So after 18, 19, 20, 21. Yes. Then after 21, 22, 23, 24. After 21, 22, 23, 24. Then after 24, 25, 26, 27. So after 24, 25, 26, 27. So here 27. This is what skip count by 3. That means we have to skip 3 numbers. Or in between 2 numbers, we have to skip 3 numbers. So after 3, 4, 5, 6. So after 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 we got. After 9, 10, 11, 12. After 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15. It's like this here. Okay. So now shall we move on to count by 4s. Count by 4s. That means we have to skip 4 numbers. We have to leave 4 numbers between the 2 numbers. So listen here. So for this we can take 4 table also. So 1 4s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So use an 4, 8. So what is the how many numbers in between 4 and 8? Shall we count? So after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4. So 8. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what number have to come here? 12. So after 12 what they have given? 16. So shall we count by 4? After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, 16. Just correct. So after 16 what have to come? What? Is anybody? Yes. What? You have to skip by 4. So after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it's 20. Yes. Now you all have learned. Okay, now we're going to see the next sum. It is, what is this number? 2, 4. 24. Next, 28. 2, 8, 28. What is this? How after 24, 28 comes? How many skips they have skipped here? After 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So how many skips? 4 skips. So 4 skips. After 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So after 28, what have to come? So we have to skip by 4. After 28, 29, 29, 30, 31, 32. After 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So what have to come? 32. So after 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So here 36. So after 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So after 36 what have to come? So 4 skips. After 36, 37, 38, 39, then 40. After 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So what have to come? 40. So now you have learned skip by 4. Yes. Do you have any doubt on this? Yes, just we're going to skip by 4, 3, 2. That's all. That is nothing. It's like multiplication table or addition. You can take it. Okay. Now we're going to see by count. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what here have to come? 15. Okay. So after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 5 comes after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20. So skip by 20. Okay. Next after that, after 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. After 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So here 25. Okay. So now you all understand how skip by 5. So now we can see our next one more sum in this. What is this number? 5, 5, 55. So after 55, 6 zeros, 60. So what? How it comes? How many skips? After 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So count by 5. So after 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So what have to come next? 61 after 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So 65. So after 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So by 5 skips after 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Yes, here circle. So after 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So after 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So the next number is 75. So this is. So we have seen, we have discussed. So the class will count skip counting. Skip counting by 2s, and skip counting by 3s, skip counting by 4, and skip counting by 5. That is, we have to skip counting by 2 means we have to skip 2 numbers. Skip counting by 3, we have to skip 3 numbers. Skip counting by 4, we have to skip 4 numbers. Likewise, skip counting by 5 means we have to skip 5 numbers. Likewise, it will be goes on. Okay. So have you all learned about it? And next we are going to see addition in single digit and two digit. We are going to see addition. Addition using single digit and two digit and two digit. Shall we go to addition? Yes. Have you all learned it? Okay. So first 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9. This is addition symbol. So 2, we are going to add 2 add with 9. 2 is going to add with 9. That is 9. 2 in the mind, 9 in the, how we going to add? How we will add? 2 in the mind, 9 in the finger. 2 in the mind, 9 in the finger. So after 2 what will come? After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many? 2 in the mind, 9 in the finger. You can take bigger number in the mind and small number in the finger also. So we have bigger number is what? 9. So 9 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11. You can go by any way. By addition. This is addition. So you can take any number. In subtraction, by going to the subtraction only, we have to check the highest number, smallest number. Here, you can keep 2 in the mind or 9. So I am keeping 9 in the mind. 9 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11. So what is the answer? 11. So 1 in 1's place and 1 more 1 here. This is 1 and this is 10's place. Okay, so just first you do, then there you can learn about one sentence. So 11. 2 in the mind, 2 plus 9 is 11. So next 5. What is this number? This is 5. What is this number? 0. So 5 is is going to 5, 0. 5, 0, what will come? So 5 in the mind. So 5 in the mind, 0 in the finger. How we can add 0 in the finger? Means nothing. So 5 in the mind, 0 in the finger. How? So we can't do. So what we have to do? If we add this number, the same number will come. The same number will come. That is 5. If we add any number with 0, the same number will be the answer. So 5 plus 0, 5 is the answer. Okay, so 5 plus 1. When we add any number with 0, the same number will come. 0 will not come. It's the same number. So because we are adding, collecting together all the things. So 5 in the mind, 0 in the 5 in the mind, 0 in the finger. So 5 plus 0, 5. Okay, shall we go to the next one? 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8. We're going to add 5 and 8. So what we can do? We can keep a small number or bigger number. We can keep bigger number in the mind, small number in the finger. So here bigger number is 8. So 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger. So 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 8. So we are keeping 8 in the mind. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 in the mind, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 5, 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer is 13. Answer is 13. Okay, shall we go to the next sum? So here what? 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8. So here we can keep 8 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 8 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 7 plus 8 is 15. We are going to add 2-digit number with single-digit number. Before we saw only single adding 2 single-digit number. Here also single-digit, here also single-digit, here also single. So we added before 2 single-digit number. We got single-digit number and double-digit number as answer. Here we are going to see 2-digit number is going to add with 1 single-digit number. How? So here we have to see the place values 1 is 10. So what is this? 3, 2. 3 is in 10's place, 2 is in 1's place. So 32. And 5 is single digit number, so 5 is in 1's place. Now what we have to do? We have to add a number in 1's place. First of whenever the addition, subtraction or multiplication, division, not division, addition, subtraction and multiplication, we have to go from right to left. This is right hand. So right to left. From this way we have to move on. So first we have to start from 1's place. So what are the number in 1's place? 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. That is 2 and 2 and 5 we go to add. 2 plus 5. So keep 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So keep 5 in the mind, 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. So after 5, 6, 7. So where we have to put it is 1's place. 7 is in 1's place we have. So 2 plus 5. 2, 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. 7. Next, so in 10's place. So now there is no end. So 3 plus what? Nothing. You can consider here 0 is available. So 3 plus 0. 3 in the mind, 0 in the finger. 3 plus 0, 3. So what is the answer? 32 plus 5 we get 37 as the answer. This way of adding 2-digit number. ones place. So this is 20. And what number are you going to add? 7. It is single digit number. 20 plus 7. So first we have to start from tens place or ones place. Which place we have to start addition? Tens place? Here. Huh? No, we have to start from ones place. So 0. 0 in the mind, 7 in the finger, or 7 in the mind, 0 in the finger. What? 0, if we add 0 with any number, the same number will be the answer. So 0 plus 7, 7. 0 plus 7, 7. Next, here there is no number, we consider 0. There is nothing also, we can put 0. There is no number 0 or any number, there is no value. 2 plus 0. 2 in the mind, 0 in the finger, 2. So what is the answer? 20 plus 7, we got 27 as the answer. Okay. So now shall we go next small addition, adding two-digit number. We are going to add two-digit number. Now we see without carry. Also in next class we will see addition with carry and also in the subtraction. Now we will see without carry addition. So two-digit addition. So what is number? 1, 8, 18. 1, 0, 10. So we are going to add 80 plus 10. We are going to add 18 plus 10. So first we have to start from ones place or tens place? From ones place. So 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0. 8. The same number only will come. Then 1 plus 1. What is the mind? What is the meaning after 1? 2. 1 plus 1. 2. The answer is 18 plus 10 is 28. 18 plus 10 is 28. Now next, what is this number? 6 and this is 6. 66. 6 is in tens place, 6 in ones place. 66 and this is 2. 22. 2 is in tens place, one more 2 is in ones place. So 22. Now we have to add 66 plus 22. So first we have to start from ones place. Always we have to start from ones place. Keep that in mind. Okay. 6 plus 2. 6 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 6 plus 2. 6 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 6, 8. After 6, 7, 8. So after 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 6 plus 2, 8. Next again 6 plus 2. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So after 6, 7, 8. The answer is 88. 66 plus 22, 88. Yes. So in this class we saw, first we saw skip counting. In skip counting, what are the things we saw? Skip counting by 2, then skip counting by 3, skip counting by 4, and skip counting by 5. That is, we are going to skip 2 numbers. 2 means going to skip 2 numbers, and 3 means going to skip 3 numbers. 4 means 4 numbers. So likewise it will be go. Next we saw addition, single digit addition, and single digit and 2-digit addition, and single digit 2-digit addition. Okay. So in this all we have learned. Yes. So I'll send worksheet based on skip counting and addition to that, and now we saw activity based on the today's class. Okay, thank you. Now we are going to see a song for skip counting by 2. Do you all like song now? Shall we start now? Yes. 2 little monkeys waiting for a friend. 2 more joins in, then there were 4. 4 little monkeys jumping from a tree. 2 more joins in, then there were 6. 6 little monkeys eating peanuts. 2 more joins in, then there were 8. 8 little monkeys wishing there were more. 2 more joins in, then there were 10. 10 little monkeys sitting on a wall, eating bananas, chatting together. 10 little monkeys
jumping from a tree. 2 more joints in, then there were 6. 4 little monkeys jumping from a tree. 2 more joints in, then there were 6. 6 little monkeys eating peanuts. 2 more joints in, then there were 8. 6 little monkeys eating peanuts. 2 more joints in, then there were 8. 8 little monkeys wishing there were more. 2 more joints in, then there were 10. 8 little monkeys wishing there were more. 2 more joints in, then there were 8. 10 little monkeys sitting on a wall, eating bananas, chatting together. 10 little monkeys sitting on a wall, eating bananas, chatting together. Children, do you all like this song? Yes, this is a song for skip counting by 2. You can edit this song for skip counting by 3, 4, 5 and so on. Hope you all like this song.
Children, now we are going to see an activity for skip counting by 2. He is our new friend Rahul. Say hello to Rahul. Yes, he is going to do skip counting by 2. He is going to skip numbers by 2. First, he is pointing towards 2. He is pointing to the number 2. If he want to skip by 2, to which number he should jump, children? Can you guess? Yes, you are right. He should jump to 4. Then another time he wants to skip by 2. So this time he'll jump to 6. Yes. Then he'll jump to 8 and then he'll jump to 10. See children, now he is pointing towards 10. Now he wants to jump by 2. So he will come to 12, then 14, then 16, then 18 and at last to 20. Have you understood this, children? See children, for skip counting by 2, when Rahul is starting from 2, he will jump to 4, then 6, then 8, then 10. Then he will jump to 12 and then 14, then 16, then 18. At last he will jump to 20. In this way you should also do skip counting by 2. Do you all understood, children? Next we are going to see skip counting by 3. Now Rahul starts from 3. Then he will go to 6. Then he will go to 9. From 9 he will jump to 12. Then he will jump to 15. Then at last he will jump to 18. This is his final number, final jump, because there is no number after 20 here. Okay children? See children, first he starts from 3, then he will jump to 6, then he will jump to 9, and then he will jump to 12, then 15 and at last 18. This is his last jump because there is no number after 20 here. So he will stop with 18 itself. Can you understand, children? Children, next we are going to see skip counting by 4. Now Rahul is standing in 4. Then he will jump to which number? Can you guess? Yes, it is 8. From 4 he will jump to 8 for skip counting by 4. Then from 8 he will jump to 12. Yes, you are right. From 8 he will jump to 12 and then to 16. And then after skipping to 16 he will jump to 20. Can you understand, children? For skip counting by 4, Rahul starts at 4. Then he starts
starting to jump to, yes, 8. From 4 he is jumping to 8. Then from 8 he is jumping to 12. Then from 12 he is jumping to 16. And at last from 16 he jumps to 20. Can you understand, children? This is skip counting by 4. Then the final one, skip counting by 5. Here Rahul is standing at 5. Yes, he is pointing towards 5. For skip counting by 5, first he will jump to 10. Yes, you are right. He will jump to 10. And then after 10, he will jump to 15. Yes, after 15, he will jump to 20. This is his final jump. For skip counting by 5, first Rahul will point towards 5. Then he will jump to 10. From 5, he will jump to 10. After jumping to 10, he will jump to 15. And then after 15, he will jump to 20 for skip counting by 5. These are all the activities for skip counting by 2, 3, 4 and 5 children. Have you all enjoyed this activity? Children, next we are going to see an activity for addition. See, there are some of the markers available here. Let us count how many are there. First, we are going to count this. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many objects are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 4 objects available here. And then here, count with me. 1, 2. Yes, there are 2 objects available in this side. See the operation in between these objects. Yes, the operation is plus, that is addition operation. So 4 plus 2. You have to keep 4 in the mind and take 2 in the finger. Then you should add 5 and then 6. The answer will be 6. Yes, here there are 4 objects and here there are 2 objects. You should add these 2 numbers, 4 plus 2. Then the answer will be 6. See children, count with me. How many objects are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here there are 5 objects. And in this side, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here also there are 5 objects. So, and here there is addition symbol in between these 2 sets. So, we have to add 5 and 5. 5 plus 5. Yes, you are right. The answer is equal to 10. So, here there are 5 objects and in this side there are 5 objects. You have to add these 2 sets. 5 plus 5, it will be equal to 10. Now we are going to count this set, these 2 sets. We are going to count the first set now. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, how many sketches are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 sketches in this set. And then in this set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yes, there are 6 sketches in this set. So, the operation is addition. We have to add 4 and 6 now. After adding 4 and 6, you will be getting the answer. Yes, you are right. 10. The answer will be 10. In the first set, there are 4 objects. In the second set, there are 6 objects. On adding 4 and 6, you will be getting the answer 10. Have you all understood this concept, children? Hope you all enjoyed the song as well as this activity. Now your home assignment is, you will be getting a PDF with this video. You have to write the answers for all the sums given in the PDF and send it through the WhatsApp group. We'll meet in the next class, children. See you.